class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we were on unit number 7, that is related to the sports, and we have already done some of the topics from the unit number 7, and in today's session as well I am going to start with one of the topic from the unit number 7 only. So the next topic that I am going to start in today's session is cups and trophies. So this is the next topic that we will start in today's session, and it is given at page number 51. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 51, that is cups and trophies. Okay, this is the topic, that is cups and trophies, cups and trophies, and this is given at page number 51. Cups and trophies given at page number 51. Okay, so at page number 51 certain pictures of different trophies are given, and you have to identify the pictures of these trophies, and then we have to write the name of the sports with which they have been associated. ओके तो यहाँ पे कप्स एंड ट्रॉफीज़ की पिक्चर्स दी हुई बेटा बहुत सारे, आपको उसको आइडेंटिफाई करते हुए ओके यू हैव टू ओके सो देखिए नॉट ओनली द पिक्चर्स आर गिवन, द नेम्स आर ऑल्सो गिवन. We just simply we have to identify the name of the sports with which they have been associated. Okay, so cups and trophies की pictures दी हैं, their names are given, and we have to identify the name of the sports with which they have been associated. So let's see here. This is the first picture. So the name is FIFA World Cup. So FIFA World Cup trophy is associated with football. So FIFA World Cup is a World Cup of football. So FIFA World Cup क्या है? Football का World Cup है. So this is associated with football. So write down the first one. Okay, the first is FIFA. The first trophy name is FIFA World Cup. First trophy name is FIFA World Cup, and FIFA World Cup trophy is associated with football. It is associated with football. FIFA World Cup is associated with football. Moving next to the second one. The second picture is of Davis Cup. So second picture is of Davis Cup. So Davis Cup is associated with which sports? So Davis Cup कौन से कप से किस स्पोर्ट से एसोसिएटेड है? So Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. So write down the second one. The second one is Davis Cup. The second one is Davis Cup, and Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. Second one is Davis Cup, and Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. So with which sports Davis Cup is associated? Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. Moving next to the third one. The third picture of the trophy is given, that name is Ashes. The Ashes. So the Ashes trophy is associated with cricket. So the Ashes trophy is associated with cricket. Okay. So the Ashes trophy is associated with cricket. Moving next to the fourth one. The Ashes trophy is associated with cricket. Moving to the fourth one. So the fourth pictures is of Musketeers Trophy. That is the Musketeers Trophy. So the Musketeers Trophy is associated with lawn tennis. The Musketeers Trophy is associated with lawn tennis. The next is the Musketeers. Musketeer. That is the Musketeers Trophy. The Musketeers Trophy is associated with lawn tennis. Musketeers Trophy is associated with lawn tennis. The Musketeers Trophy is associated with lawn tennis. Okay. Moving next to the fifth one. Okay, the fifth trophy is a very beautiful trophy that we all love. That is ICC World Cup. So ICC World Cup trophy is associated with cricket. So ICC World Cup trophy is associated with ICC World Cup. ICC World Cup trophy is associated with cricket. CRICKET. That is cricket. So ICC World Cup trophy is associated with cricket. Okay, this is the fifth trophy and the name of the sports is cricket. Moving next to the sixth one. This is the sixth one. That is the Ranji Trophy. This is the picture of Ranji Trophy. The Ranji Trophy is associated with cricket. So the Ranji Trophy is also associated with cricket. That is the Ranji Ranji Trophy. The Ranji Trophy is associated with cricket. CRICKET. That is cricket. So the Ranji Trophy is associated with cricket. So this is the name of the trophies and cups, and these are the names of the sports with which they have been associated. The first is FIFA World Cup. FIFA World Cup is associated with football. Second is Davis Cup. Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. Third is the Ashes. The Ashes trophy is associated with cricket. The fourth is the Musketeers. The Musketeers trophy is associated with lawn tennis. Fifth is ICC World Cup. ICC World Cup is associated with cricket, and the next is the Ranji Trophy, and this Ranji Trophy is associated with cricket. Okay, so you can pause your videos here and write it down in your books at page number 51. Okay. Moving next to the blanks that are given below. Now we will move to the blanks that are given in the book on the same page number 51. Page number is 51, and here we have to do the fill-ups. Fill in the blanks. That is, fill in the blanks. Okay, so it is given here. Help Noi choose from the options given here to fill in the blanks. So here some of the options here you can see. Okay, so options are given downwards, and you have to select the correct options for the given information. Okay, so select the correct option from the given information. Okay, so blanks are given and you have to write their answers in the front of the blanks that is already provided there. So the first one is, who won the 2014 FIFA World Cup? 2014 का जो FIFA World Cup था बेटा, वो किसने जीता था? Who won the 2014 FIFA World Cup? So So the 2014 FIFA World Cup was won by Germany. So 2014 FIFA World Cup was won by Germany. First is, who won the 2014 FIFA World Cup? The answer is Germany. Who has won the 2014 FIFA World Cup? The answer is Germany. Moving next, तो this is a FIFA is a World Cup of football. तो FIFA क्या है? फुटबॉल का वर्ल्ड कप है एंड 2014 का FIFA वर्ल्ड कप किसने जीता था बेटा? दैट वाज वॉन बाय जर्मनी. नेक्स्ट इज, वेयर वॉज द फर्स्ट क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप हेल्ड? सबसे पहला क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप कहाँ हुआ था? ओके, सो वेयर वॉज द फर्स्ट क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप? क्रिकेट का सबसे पहला वर्ल्ड कप कहाँ हुआ था? सो द फर्स्ट क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप वॉज हेल्ड इन इंग्लैंड. सो द फर्स्ट क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप वॉज हेल्ड इन इंग्लैंड. ENGLAND, that is England. So the first cricket world cup was held in England. Moving next, who won the Wimbledon men's singles title in the year 2016? तो 2016 में जो Wimbledon men's singles title था, who won that? So that was won by Andy Murray. Okay, so Wimbledon men's singles. So this is a lawn tennis game. Okay, and who won the Wimbledon men's singles title in the 2016? That was won by Andy Murray. So write down the answer for the third one. That is Andy, A-N-D-Y, Andy Murray. M-U-R-R-A-Y. That is Andy Murray. So 2016 Wimbledon men's singles title was won by Andy Murray. Moving next to the fourth one, who won the Formula 1 World Championship in the year 2015? So 2015 में किसने Formula 1 World Championship जीती थी? So who won the Formula 1 World Championship in the year 2015? Or he is Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton has won the 2015 Formula 1 World Championship. The answer is Lewis Hamilton. So Lewis Hamilton has won the 2015 Formula 1 World Championship. Lewis Hamilton has won the 2015 Formula 1 World Championship. Moving next to the fifth one. The fifth is, which country does the Olympian legend Michael Phelps belong to? Okay, so Michael Phelps कौन सी country को belong करते हैं? So he is an Olympian legend. Because why he is known as an Olympian legend? Because he is the only player who has won 28 medals in the Olympics, in which out of which 23 are gold. And he is the only swimmer in the world who has won, who is only athlete you can say in the world who has won 8 gold medals in the single Olympics. That is the Beijing 2008 Olympics that was held in Beijing, China. Okay, so he was, that's why he is known as legendary Olympian. So and from which country he belongs to? So Michael Phelps belongs to USA, that is United States of America. Michael Phelps belongs to USA, that is United States of America. Done? Chaliye. So these are the topics from, this is the topic from page number 51. So with this we have completed the topic, that is cups and trophies. So still we are having some time. So now we will do one more topic that is given at page number 72, sports and games. So all of you open your books at page number 72, that is sports and games. Okay, open your books at page number 72, sports and games. Sports and games. This is the topic and this is given at page number 72. sports and games. So in this topic we will discuss about the various sports and games that are being played worldwide, and these are famous in some of the particular countries. So कुछ particular countries में ज़्यादा popular है, whether it is being played worldwide. So the first one is Chaturanga. So the first sport that I am talking about is Chaturanga. So Chaturanga is a board game that was played in the ancient India. It is believed that the present day game of the chess actually came from the Chaturanga. Okay, so Chaturanga is a board game just like a chess. Okay, so the first name is Chaturanga. Okay, the name of the game is Chaturanga. So this is one of the ancient games that are being played during the olden times. तो पुराने ज़माने में गेम खेले जाते, that is चतुरंगा. and आजकल की जो चेस गेम है, it is being believed that ये उसी का ही जो चेस गेम है वो improvised version है चतुरंगा का. So it is being inspired from the चतुरंगा only. Okay, and where it has been originated. So it was played in India. So basically this Chaturanga game is played in India, and it is believed that the present day game of chess actually came from Chaturanga. तो आजकल की जो गेम है चतुरंगा, ये कहाँ से आई? It has came from India. Okay, so sorry, it has came from the Chaturanga. It has been inspired from the Chaturanga. Clear? Moving next to the second sport that we will talk about, that is Kho-Kho. So another sport that we will talk about is Kho-Kho. Okay, so this is Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho is a popular traditional sport in India. It is played between the two teams, a chasing team and the defenders. Okay, so Kho-Kho is a popular traditional sport in India. तो Kho-Kho इंडिया में एक बहुत ही पॉपुलर, बहुत ही पुराना स्पोर्ट है. Okay, and its name is Kho-Kho, and it is played between the two teams, a chasing team and the defender. So it is basically played between the two teams. So basically ये दो टीम्स के बीच में खेले जाता है. The one team is the defender and whereas the other one is the chaser. एक उसमें से डिफेंडर होगी and another one is the chaser. Okay, so Kho-Kho is basically played between the two teams, the defender and the chaser. So now how it is being played, ये खेली कैसे जाती है basically. So in this the two teams are there, the one is sitting and the other one will run into the Kho-Kho ground, and जो teams बैठी होती है, the one is facing right and other will be facing left. तो उसके एक प्लेयर लेफ्ट फेस करके एक राइट, देन लेफ्ट देन राइट, ऐसे करके विथ प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस दे विल बी सिटिंग देयर. ओके, एंड द चेजिंग टीम. ओके, सो एंड वन ऑफ द another member of the same team, जो बैठे उन्हीं का एक मेंबर, ओके, दैट विल बी स्टैंडिंग एंड देन ही विल रन और शी विल रन, दैट प्लेयर विल रन in that Kho-Kho ground and chase the other team members, those who are running in that Kho-Kho ground. So जो जितनी भी जो डिफेंडर्स हैं जो इसमें घूम रहे हैं, दे कैन गो एट एनी प्लेस, वो कहीं भी जा सकते हैं. बट जो चेस कर रहा है, जिनको पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है, ही कैन और शी कैन मूव ओनली इन अ सिंगल डायरेक्शन. ओके, और वो अपनी टीम के किसी मेंबर को खो कर देगा. खो मीन्स वो टचेस एनी पार्ट ऑफ हिज बॉडी या हर बॉडी एंड देन से खो, एंड वो खड़ा होकर भागेगा एंड देन that another member will start chasing the defenders. Okay, so this is Kho-Kho. The game is Kho-Kho. So this is one of the very popular and traditional game of India. This is one of the very popular and traditional game of India. Okay, moving next to the third game, that is Sumo. Now what is Sumo? Sumo is a form of a Japanese wrestling where apart from skill, weight and the strength of the size of the competitors are important for victory. Specially selected young men are fit and trained to achieve the desired weight and the size for the competition. Now the another game I'm talking about is Sumo. Okay, so you must have heard about the Sumo wrestling. तो आपने हो सकता है सुमो रेसलिंग के बारे में सुना होगा बेटा. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी पॉपुलर गेम एंड इट हैज़ इट्स ओरिजिन फ्रॉम जापान. जो सुमो गेम है, जो सुमो रेसलिंग है, इसका origin कहाँ से हुआ? तो it has been originated from the Japan. Okay, so in this very strong and men's are prepared. Okay, बहुत ही मोटे मोटे तगड़े जो men हैं, जो आदमी वो prepare किए जाते हैं and they are fed. ओके उनको खूब खिलाया पिलाया जाता है एंड दे आर मेड सो वेल्दी सॉरी सो हेल्दी. ओके उनको बहुत ही खिला पिला के मोटा कर दिया जाता है. ओके एंड देखिए दिस रिटन दिस जैपनीज रेसलिंग अवेयर अपार्ट फ्रॉम द स्किल. ये एक ऐसी जैपनीज फॉर्म ऑफ रेसलिंग है तो स्किल के अलावा द वेट, उसका वेट, द वेट ऑफ द सुमो. ओके उसकी स्ट्रेंथ, उसकी ताकत एंड द साइज ऑफ द कॉम्पिटिटर. जो उसके ऑपोजिट में कॉम्पिटिशन में जो कॉम्पिटिटर है उसके साइज़ के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. ओके फॉर द विक्ट्री. सो ऑल दीज स्किल्स के अलावा ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द वेट, द साइज ऑफ द कॉम्पिटिटर एंड द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द sumo wrestler. Okay, so in this especially some selected men's are specially selected, men's are selected. Okay, and they are fed so much and trained to achieve the desired weight and the size for the competition. वो खूब खिलाया जाता है and so that they can, जो उनको desire है weight है और जो भी उनका weight desiring है size है, so that they can achieve that weight and size and then they can perform accordingly in the sumo wrestling. So basically this sumo wrestling is basically performed in Japan. So this is one of the very popular sports in Japan. ये जापान का एक बहुत ही popular sports है. Okay, that is basically known as sumo wrestling. Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth is Muay Thai. The next sport is Muay Thai. I am talking about another sport, that is Muay Thai. Now what is Muay Thai? Muay Thai is a fighting sport in which fighters use their fists, elbow, feet and knees to strike each other. It is a very popular sport in the Thailand. So now I'm talking about another very popular sport, but this sport has its origin from Thailand. This sports का origin कहाँ से हुआ है? Thailand से. Okay, so this is one of the very popular sports which has been originated from the Thailand. Okay, so it is a fighting sport in which the fighters use their fist, elbow, feet and the knees to strike each other. This is a very popular sports in Thailand. तो ये एक this is a kind of a fighting. Okay, एक तरह से fighting है जिसमें कि जो players हैं जो कि ये मुए थाई खेलते हैं वो अपनी body का हर part, चाहे वो उनकी fist हो, elbow हो, मतलब they basically this is a kind of a fighting, street fight. Okay, and they use each and every part of their body to hit the other competitor or the other who is the person who is fighting with him. So in this the fighters they use every part of their body so that they can hit the other person. Okay, and the main aim is to let the fighter lay down, उसको गिरा के मतलब he want to win the match. So they mostly use each and every. This is just like a fighting. Okay. Next is kabaddi, a very popular sports in India, especially in Punjab and Haryana. That is kabaddi. The next is kabaddi. Kabaddi is a 4,000-year-old game. It is the national game of Bangladesh, where it is known as Ha-do-do. The aim of the game is to prevent the members of the opponent team from returning to their half of the field. Now I am talking about the game that is known as kabaddi. तो हम कबड्डी की बात कर रहे हैं. It is a 4,000-year-old game. तो इसका जो कबड्डी का ओरिजिन है, ये इसका ओरिजिन 4,000 साल पहले हुआ था. So kabaddi is a very ancient game that has its origin from back 4,000 years. तो आज से 4,000 साल पहले this kabaddi game has been originated. इसका origin हुआ था. Okay, and it is the national game of Bangladesh. And this is kabaddi is the national game of Bangladesh. The national हमारा national sport is hockey, but the national game हमारा national game है hockey. The national game of Bangladesh is kabaddi. Kabaddi is the national game of Bangladesh. Okay, and in that, okay, हमारे इंडिया में it is known as kabaddi, but in Bangladesh it is termed as Ha-do-do. Ha-do-do is a term that is being used for the kabaddi. Okay, and the game of the game is to prevent the members of the opponent team from returning to the half of their field. ओके, और इस कबड्डी गेम का मेन मोटो क्या होता है कि जो उनके ओपोनेंट टीम के जो प्लेयर्स हैं उनको वापस अपने जगह पे और जो उनकी टीम की जगह वहाँ ना जाने दे रहे. द मेन एम इज नॉट टू स्टॉप द members of other team to going back to their place again by crossing the half of their field. So this is kabaddi. Clear? चलिए. Okay, the next sports that we'll talk about, that is polo. The next sport is polo. Now what is polo? Polo is a team sports played between the two teams. Each team has 4 players. The players ride on the horseback to play the game. It is believed that polo was played in India and Persia about 2000 years ago. So now we are talking about another game, that is polo. So basically this polo game has its origin from Iran. Okay, so basically बोला जाता है कि जो polo game का origin कहाँ से हुआ है, ईरान से हुआ है. But इंडिया और पर्शिया में, सो इट हैज़ बीन प्लेड इन इंडिया एंड पर्शिया सिंस वेरी, मतलब बहुत पहले से इंडिया और पर्शिया में भी ये गेम बहुत अच्छे से दैट इज़ बीइंग प्लेड. दैट इज़ अ वेरी पॉपुलर गेम ड्यूरिंग द एंशिएंट टाइम. दिस पोलो गेम इज़ प्लेड इन इंडिया एंड पर्शिया. ओके, एंड इट इज़ नियर अबाउट 2000 ईयर्स अगो. सो आज से 2000 साल पहले तो ये जो पोलो गेम है ये इंडिया और पर्शिया में खेली जाती है. ओके, polo is a team sports played between the two teams. So basically this polo game is a team sports. Okay, so polo is basically played between the teams. So there are basically 2 teams. Okay, polo में basically 2 teams होती हैं. Okay, so there are basically 2 teams and each team has 4 players. So हर team के कितने players होते हैं? 4. So polo has 2 teams, so team sports, and it is in this the player has so there are 2 teams. Okay, and each team has 4 players. हर टीम के कितने players होते हैं? 4. Okay, and how it is being played? So in this polo game, the player, okay, they have to play this polo game while riding the horse. Okay, and they have to hit a ball with the help of a club that they are holding in their other hand. तो उनको अपने हाथ में, एक दूसरे हाथ में, एक हाथ से उन्हें घुड़सवारी करते हुए, from one hand they are holding the horse and from the other hand they are holding a stick that is known as a club, so which they use to hit the ball on the ground, and they start while riding the horse they try to make the score, they try to hit a goal. So basically this polo is a combination of hockey or horse riding, in which the player have to hit the ball with the help of the club that they are holding in their hands. Okay, while riding their horses. Okay, and they wear बहुत सारे gears पहनते हैं so they don't get hurt. Next is the croquet. So the next sports I'm talking about, we will talk about is, that is croquet. Now what is croquet? देखिए croquet क्या है, देखिए. So croquet is a game where you hit wooden or the plastic balls with a wooden hammer through a set of rings that are fixed in the ground. It started in London in the mid-18th century. So this croquet game has basically started in London. So 18वीं सदी के mid में. So in the mid of 18th century, this croquet game has been started in London. इस croquet game का origin कहाँ हुआ था? लंदन में 18वीं सदी के mid में. Okay, so how it is being played? So in this croquet game, so there are certain rings are placed or fixed onto the ground. Okay, and the player who is playing the croquet, he or she has to hit the ball with the wooden hammer. Okay, and जब वो ball को hit करेंगे wooden hammer से, तो that ball has to pass through the rings. So this is how this game is being played. So rings होते हैं जो ground पे attach होते हैं, एक ball होती है, wooden hammer होता है. So with the help of that hammer, the one has to hit the ball, and then ball has to pass through that ring. Okay, while playing this croquet. Okay, so it is basically started in London during the mid of 18th century. So these are the various sports and games that has its origin from different countries. इनका origin अलग-अलग countries से हुआ है, and they have been loved worldwide as well. Okay, So you can revise it one more time by rewatching the video again. Okay, and this was from a today's session as well, class. So with this, I'm ending this session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in my next session.